Hello, maths. So we have found speed. We have found distance. We have found average speed. And today we will be looking at, can you guess? I'm sure you can, finding the time taken. So a train traveled 245 kilometers at an average speed of 70 kilometers per hour. How long did it take? So, what is it asking us here? It wants to know how long did the train take to travel 245 kilometers if it was moving at 70? It was moving at 70 kilometers per hour. This is what the question wants to know. And I mean, we can figure out a rough idea 70, 140, 210, 280. So it's going to be more than 3 hours, but less than 4. But obviously, I would like us to be a little bit more specific. So the first thing we do, as you can see here, is we say, well, 70 kilometers is 1 hour, right? 70 kilometers is how far the train travels in 1 hour. So that would mean if a train goes 70 kilometers in 1 hour, then 1 kilometer is the same as 1/70th of an hour, because in 1 hour the train goes 70. So now I know that. I know that a kilometer is 1/70th. And I also know that the total distance is 245. So what I can do here is I can put as a fraction 245 over 70. Now, obviously, this is an improper fraction. So the first thing I need to do is I need to... Well, should I turn it into a proper fraction first, or should I simplify it? I'm going to simplify it. So let's see. 245. Oh, I know. I can divide that. Oh, look, this ends in a 5 and this ends in a 0. So I can divide them both by 5. 245 divided by 45 is 49. So 245 divided by 5 is 49. And 70 divided by 5 is 14. Could I simplify that any more? I don't think so. So now I've got it in its simplest form, but it's still a improper fraction. So how do I change improper fractions into mixed numbers? I divide. Okay. Does 14 go into 49? Yes, it goes 3 times. 3 times 14 is 42. That's a weird 2, Gary. Sorry. Gives me a remainder of 7. I like this glitter. So that's 3 as the whole number and 7 14ths. Can I simplify 7 14ths? Yes, I can. I can change it. I can simplify it to 1/2. So, how long did the train take? It took 3.5 hours. Now, if you wanted to, you could also just go, oh, well, what's 245 kilometers divided by 70? Oh, it's 3.5. I mean, you could do that, but turning it into fractions and then simplifying the fractions and then turning the fractions into a mixed number is much more fun. I think we all agree. So you should do that. Bye. Watch the second video.